Friends, we are talking about time management. Time management plays a very important role not only in organization but also in our personal life. Friends, time management's importance. Friends, there is this saying that time does not wait for anyone. There are only 52 weeks in a year, 7 days in a week, 24 hours in a day and 60 minutes in a hour. इसलिए कहा गया है काल करे सो आज करे सो अब पल में परले होते बहुरी करोगे तब कब. An individual should understand the value of time for him to succeed in all aspects of life. People who waste time are the ones who fail to create an identity of their own. We have limited time in a day and we have to use this time effectively so that the right work can be done in the right time. Effectively, the time management allows individual to assign a specific time slot to activities as per their importance. Time management refers to making the best use of time. Time cannot be compared to any item like gold, silver or other valuable things because all these items can be purchased at any time in case of need, reading and availability of money, and they can be kept in the safe, can be done, but the time that has passed cannot be bought back at any cost, nor can it be stored. Therefore, it is necessary to use every moment of life. But when individuals are businessmen or entrepreneurs, then it becomes more important for them to spend their time in business advancement, progress, expansion, innovation, and in this task, the personal secretary of the businessman can be very helpful. He prepares daily schedules for one moment's use of businessman, but this is possible only when the personal secretary self-manages his time and walks a step ahead of his employer, and knowledge of strategies and daily routine ahead of business and businessmen. Today is the era of information technology and artificial intelligence. So if you are not using them for your time management, then it means you are not using the time properly. Use of this necessary in this management, that is whether whatever plan you make for that time management will be based on technology like daily schedule, visitor books, meeting schedules. For meeting, you can use Google Meet, Zoom apps, etc. to create necessary group WhatsApp for sending and receiving messages. Some advice to save your time. Build schedule on your computer. The first step in creating an effective schedule in recording your ideal ways to spend your time. That way you will have a goal to reach with your time management. Create a spared sheet or timetable that break down your day into half-hour blocks. Fill each block with the activity. Start by writing in fixed time like work, meetings or appointments. Don't forget to include necessary spending like meal times or sleep time. You should see a surprising amount of free time in the space remaining. Technology can help us in this area. Online calendar help with scheduling events and reminding us so we do not miss them. You can even install this calendar to your mobile device. You can install Google Calendar in your mobile phones and also install personal organizer software, task and time management, and make to-do list. Look at what technology you use to waste time. See which techniques you use to waste time. You will see that it is full of unless activities like playing TV, video games, Facebook, Twitter, etc. The important thing is that you will see how much time you need to spend each day on certain things. Once you realize that you cannot avoid spending, you will be able to see how you naturally fill in the extra time. Use the timer or on your smartphone or computer. You can set a timer once you begin an unproductive activities. When the alarm ring, it means that you have run out of the time to spend on that activity. TV, WhatsApp, Facebook. Get time manage apps, extensions. There are some great programs that you can use if most of your time wasting is done on computer. Free time sites can keep record for you every time you use the timers. Some browser extension limit you time spent on undesirable websites, cutting you off after you reach your spending quota. Make sure to put a watch in front of your office so you can keep the knowledge of the time and also wear the watch in your hand. By taking many tasks together, no work can be completed on time. So a personal secretary should avoid multitask. Don't do not think of doing every work yourself, but such tasks which other employees can easily do. Entrust those tasks to other. That means learn to delegate our authorities. Thanks, friends.